I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select Slack. Give here an access token. So please visit Slack console. Create an app from scratch. Give here the app name and workspace. Now click on Create App. Click on OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down and under the User Token scope, add an OAuth scopes. Scroll up and click on Install to Workspace. Allow. Copy the user OAuth token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Channels list. Now choose your desired fields. Under Actions, you can add attachments by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to login. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now go to the Slack site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Slack. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching.